Hi, and welcome to the RPA Lifecycle course. This course is part of one of my larger courses titled Hands-on RPA with UiPath, where I discuss in detail the foundations of UiPath, the essentials of RPA Lifecycle, and how to build scalable bots using RPA best practices. I've decided to also offer this course as a standalone because I believe it's important for new developers to understand the RPA lifecycle before they start on any project. In my career as an RPA architect and developer, I've had the chance to work with some of the largest corporations in America, delivering various complexities of bots. And throughout my experience, I've seen many developers struggle with RPA because they fail to understand RPA in a larger context. My goal with this course is to make you a successful RPA developer by helping you understand RPA from a larger picture. In this course, you will learn what is RPA, the benefits of RPA, the RPA operating manual, i.e. the partnership between the RPA service provider and the client, how to conduct the RPA opportunity assessment, and the typical documentation that you will encounter on any RPA project. Okay, let's begin.